The 2013 to 2017 Focus ST and 2016 and up Focus RS are sporty, performance-oriented little cars that beg to be driven. Unfortunately, the stock gas pedal is positioned just a bit lower than ideal for quick heel-toe shifting. This handy gas pedal spacer by Mishimoto brings the gas pedal forward just enough so that it's even with your brake pedal, enabling easy heel-toe action and cornering. At the gas pedal, you will find two nuts holding the factory pedal assembly to the firewall. Once you remove the two nuts, the pedal will slide off the studs. Then remove the one connector at the top to completely remove the pedal. Mishimoto provides two stud extensions that you can now tighten onto the factory studs. The pedal spacer will then slide into these extensions. Plug the pedal connector back in and match up the bolt provisions in the pedal to the spacer, then thread in the provided bolts to the stud extensions. Once the bolts are tightened down, the install is completed. You can see between these two shots how our pedal is pretty evenly spaced with the brake pedal, making heel-toe shifting easier in a performance situation. Head to stage3motorsports.com to find this pedal spacer along with any other upgrade you need for your Focus ST or RS.